Okay, so for this video, what I'm going to do is show you guys how I'm going to create my spring college schedule, nursing school schedule. It's going to live in my planner, and I'll be using the, this one's called Supermom Mini for nursing school. And I'm just going to create a planner or a schedule on a half sheet, and then it'll live in my planner in the front, and then I can refer to it as needed until I learn my schedule. Normally I wouldn't share this. I would just sit down and create it, but I thought maybe if you guys were in college or high school or whatever and wanted to create a schedule for your planner, this might give you some ideas on how to do it or just inspiration. But yeah, I just want to show you the mini planner because I am going to be creating this on a mini sheet and it'll go inside of there. So these sheets are from Socialite. Yes, they're for the mini planner. They're from Socialite. Just need one. And then I have a few sticker books laid out here. I don't for sure know what I'm going to be using. I looked through this one and I seen some ideas, but I don't know. Let's just go for it. I'm going to just lay everything out, and then I will come back after I get it done and we'll talk about what I did and what my schedule is and that kind of thing.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like the song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke, our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel. Take one step like the song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity.
Okay guys, that is my spring of 2019 schedule. I think it turned out really, really cute. I really like it. So when I set my planner up, I haven't done it yet, this will live, let's see, do I put it, I will probably put it right here in the front, but I'm kind of excited. This turned out really super cute. So as far as my schedule goes for spring, Monday and Wednesdays are the same, with the only difference being, well, then they're not the same, right? Because there is a difference. But with clinicals, I do know my clinical location and time. I'm not going to write that in there until, you know, after this video, because I don't know if that's going to cause any problems with some laws, so, and I don't want to be breaking any laws, so I'll write time and location in there after that. But Monday and Wednesday is psychology, Tuesday and Thursday are my long days, and then Friday I just have anatomy lab. And this turned out really cute. I thought I would probably end up having to use two sides. I didn't think I'd have enough room, but I did, and it's simple and it's super cute, and I can just quickly flip back to this and know what I'm doing and what time. So I put class, the class room that it's in, so like WH102, so that's the building and then the room number, and then the little arrow thing down here says the time, and I did that for all of them. Actually, let's try something. Let's see, do I have a color? Does this match? Is that too purpley? No, I probably have a blue one. Ooh, let's look for blue. Let's see. That's not bad. Let's do this. Just to kind of pull some color in. I'll do this too, because why not? I don't know, just trying some things here, seeing if that would bring in just a little bit more color. What I will probably end up doing too is highlighting clinicals or underlining it. Let's just go ahead and we'll underline it. Kind of put emphasis on that. So that's it, guys. I'm not going to do anything else to it other than add the time and location for clinicals. And that is going to be my nursing school schedule for spring of 2019. If you guys are starting back in the spring in college, high school, whatever you're doing, if you're off of winter break or whatever, don't stress. You'll do awesome. Work your butt off. It pays off in the end. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and come hang out with me on Instagram.